Good day. So today I will show you how to solve first in first out algorithm. So as you can see at the top, we can see the time, page reference, page fault that we will put a check later, and page replace. Is put a line here because it's empty. Next is bring down one, underline the blank space. Then page reference is 2, so we will put 1 and 2, then blank. Then next is number 3, count 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next is number 2. Number 2 is we can see that there's a number 2 here and it's repeated in here. So we will copy this last row or last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, number 1 is here already. So we will copy again 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, number 3 is already here. So we will copy 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, wala pa tayong nare-replace. But you can check here the page fault. And then next is the number 5. Number 5 is not yet here. So we will replace number 1 into 5 because 5 is the first number that we wrote earlier. 5, 2, 3, then copy. Then we will put number 1. Next, number 6 is not yet here, so we will copy 5, then replace 2 because it's the second number. We will put 6, 3, 4. We will put 2. Then copy because 3 is already here. Copy lang. 4. Then you're done. First in, first out algorithm is solved.